Hi, my name is Jessica Goins, and I'm with First Chance for Children. This month is our February Care Kit, and with me I have my helpers,
Aaliyah, Deja.
and they're going to help demonstrate some different games and activities that we can do. So, with this Care Kit, it is designed for you to learn about self care for not just yourself, but others around you in the world that we're living in. And so, we want to start because in February is also Black History Month. And so, we're going to start by talking about a couple of facts and me reading the book I Am Brave that's included in your kit. So, Aaliyah, can you tell us one thing that Rosa Parks did?
She was on the bus and she didn't give up her seat to a white man, and then she went to prison.
Awesome. So Rosa Parks was an African American woman, a black woman, who believed that blacks should be able to sit in the front of the bus. And because she did not, she was arrested for believing in what she thought was right. Deja, tell us about Martin Luther King and what he did.
Martin Luther King said, "I've had a dream," in which he said, "I wish all black people and white people could get along."
Perfect. So Martin Luther King had a dream. He had a dream that all blacks and all whites could come together as one. And so I would like to just look through this book, I Am Brave. It says, I am Martin Luther King Jr. Come dream with me. A dream is an adventure that you build inside your mind. Start with hope. Add some faith. You'll be amazed at what you'll find. My dreams are of love, of making peace and shining bright. Lift those who are around you. Be brave and do what's right. One day you will help others. One day you will make a stand. Hold hands. We're all sisters and brothers. It's how we reach the promised land. Be brave, my little dreamers. We need more of you than ever. The very best dream of all is the one we dream together. So this book is found in your kit. I suggest you read it with your littles, explain to them what Black history is, and give them facts each and every day. Come up with a different fact. Google's great. If you don't know Google will help you. And so now moving on to our kit, it's also Valentine's this month. And so my girls are going to demonstrate a game that you can play. It's called Fishing for Hearts. So girls, pick up your fishing poles. The fishing poles are simply made with, go ahead and start. It's simply made with pipe cleaners, and the hearts are too. And so they catch a fish, catch a heart, put it to the side, and try again. This is a game. It helps with fine motor, gross motor, because you have this movement going. So then there's also paper in your kit. You can cut hearts out. And so we created a heart puzzle. So girls, put your heart puzzles together. So here's Aaliyah's. And it's just a heart. We'll cut it up. And then now she has to try to piece it together. This also helps with cognitive development because they're thinking, does this piece fit? How can I get it to fit? If it doesn't fit, what are ways that I can move it around to make it fit? And so the heart puzzle is something that you can do. And then Deja has a white heart that she's putting together. And I just simply cut different type of zigzag lines for them to each put together. And then next, they're going to decorate a heart. So this heart is already put together. And you have little heart stickers. And they're just going to decorate. So girls, have at it and just decorate your hearts. Aaliyah chose pink. Deja has red. So while they're doing that, also in the kit are heart sticky notes. Care kits, it's nice to give a compliment to one another. So with these sticky notes, you can simply write a note on there and stick them around the house and find different kindness words around the house. I love you. Thanks for being a helper. You're kind. Your kids love when they're promoted with kindness or kind words. Like you can do it, encouragement. That's what I'm looking for. That's the word I'm looking for, encouragement. So you can write words of encouragement for them on these sticky notes. And so, as I said before, in this kit, you're gonna see different things to explore. There's different games. There's a toothbrush in here. Brushing your teeth is very important, and it's a self-care that you can do for yourself. A little nice teeth brushing song that I used to sing with my kids when they were little is Brush them up, brush them down, side to side and all around. When you're done, have some fun. Go back in and brush your tongue. So that's a song that I used to sing with my kiddos. It got them brushing their teeth, having fun while doing it, and then remembering to brush the germs off your tongue as well. So as we know, it's important to brush your teeth at least 2 times a day as well as floss. So in your kit, you have a snack. You have some pretzels and a little water as well. You also have a little stress reliever heart. So if you're just feeling overwhelmed, then you can take this and just squeeze on it nice and soft, helps relieve stress. So as I said before, this is February's care kit. It's mixed with a lot of different things that you can do throughout the month. We have Valentine's, we have Black History, and of course, self-care. Self-care is something that you can not only do in February because this is the month we chose to do it in, but throughout the year. You have to remember self-care. Care for yourself, care for others, and care for the world. Once again, I'm Jessica Goins with First Chance for Children and my helpers,
Aaliyah, Deja.
We hope you learned something from this kit. We hope that you go and enjoy the kit with your kiddos. And as always, we're signing off. Thank you.